How to fix Capitec Bank app not working? Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. To do that, launch your App Store. Now, search for the app Capitec. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading to our next solution. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Now, scroll down. Head towards the option of General. Open this option iPhone Storage. In this page, you will be able to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head towards the app Capitec. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 3. You have to delete this app from your device and reinstall it. So go ahead and click on this option of Delete app. Deleting will also delete all of its documents and data. This action cannot be undone. Click on Delete app. With that, you have permanently deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your App Store, search for the app Capitec Bank. Once app appears, install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Capitec Bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.